Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this dust to down outdoor light for viewing purposes, and I think that it's great because it has a dust to down intelligent sensor that you can place it on, so it turns on and off automatically, which I think that it's really nice. We have the instruction manuals right here with all the specifications of the main unit. We have the proper sensor, which I think that it's nice. It connects really easily, and we get all the different pieces that we are gonna need to make the proper installation, which I think that it's really great. Okay, all the pieces, nuts, bolts, and anything that we need. This is the main unit. As you can see, it's an LED lamp, and I think that it looks really nice. It has a really nice design. It has a cooling system in this side, which I think that it's great. Okay, we get all the pieces to do the installation, and in here we have the cables to do the wiring. We can place it up on a post or in a angled stand, which I think that it's really nice and really useful. Okay, so well, let's go ahead and place it on. We're gonna see where we're gonna place it, and let's see how it looks and how it works. Okay, come on. Okay guys, as you can see, the installation process is actually really simple. All the instructions are really clear, and I like it because you can place it upon a wall mount or a pole mount. To place the Photocell, you just twist it on like this, which I think that it's really nice. It has a 210 degrees super wide illumination angle, making it really great for outdoors, as it is even rated as IP66. You can also give it a 180 degrees vertical adjustment with the adjustable arm that comes included, which I think that it's also great. And as you can see, this 250 watts LED parking lots can deliver a really nice bright light, and I think that it has a really great cool white light, and I think that it's really nice. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed, and I think that it looks amazing. As you can see, it turns on automatically when the light goes out, and I think that it's really nice. It looks amazing. It has a very powerful and bright light, and I think that it's gonna do an amazing work where you wanna place them. I think that it's perfect for your patio, your warehouse, wherever you want to place it outdoors. I think that it's really nice. It was really easy to install, as you could see, and overall I like it a lot, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.